In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the background eraser tool in Photoshop. Whether you're a budding graphic designer or simply looking to enhance your Photoshop skills, today's tutorial will walk you through each step to help you seamlessly remove backgrounds from images. First things first, let's open up Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, you'll need to do that before we start. Once you have Photoshop up and running, you're ready to get started. The next step is to prepare the image you intend to work on. Locate your desired image file and open it within Photoshop. You can do this by clicking on File in the top left corner and then selecting Open, or simply dragging the file into the Photoshop interface. It's vital that you select an image with a distinct background and foreground to make the erasing process smoother. Now that your image is ready, it's time to make a selection of the background you want to remove. For this, we'll use the Magic Wand tool, which is excellent for selecting areas of similar color tones. Simply find the Magic Wand tool in the toolbar on the left side, which might be nested with other selection tools. Click on it and then click on the background of your image. Photoshop will automatically detect the edges of the subject, separating it from the background. If the selection isn't perfect, you can adjust the tolerance in the options menu at the top of the screen to refine your selection. Once you've set your selection, it's time to move on to the most crucial part, using the background eraser tool. This tool allows you to remove the background without affecting the subject of your image. To find this tool, look for the eraser tool in the toolbar, click and hold it until a flyout menu appears where you can select the background eraser tool. Before we start erasing, let's take a moment to adjust the settings. At the top of your screen, you'll see options for the background eraser tool. Set the brush size to suit your image, larger for big areas, smaller for detail work. Ensure that the limits are set to contiguous to delete only the selected background, and adjust the tolerance level based on how much variation is in your background. Now hover over the background of your image and start erasing. You'll notice that the background pixels are being erased while the subject remains intact. Take your time and work slowly around the edges to maintain precision. After you've erased the background, you should save your work. Go to File, choose Save As, and select your desired format. If you intend to keep the transparent background, choose to save it as a PNG file. And that's it. You've successfully used the background eraser tool to remove a background in Photoshop. Happy editing, and I hope this brings you one step closer to mastering digital design.